If you have ever unlocked your phone simply by looking at it, or wondered how a streaming app knew exactly which show you'd want to watch next, you are already using artificial intelligence. It is easy to see AI as a highly complex monster, something requiring a genius-level understanding of computer code just to touch. But the truth is actually quite simple. We are going to look at how these tools work from absolute zero, without any of the confusing tech speak. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is just technology that gives a machine the ability to think and make choices, much like a person does. Automation is something different. It is the machine's ability to keep doing one specific job, like moving a box or sending a standard email, over and over again without ever needing to sleep. For a long time, we had computers that could think and machines that could do, but they were kept in separate rooms. You can think of traditional automation as a pair of hands. They are incredibly strong and fast, but they are also blind. They can only follow a very strict list of instructions. Because these hands can't see, they fail the moment something tiny changes, like if a customer misspells their own name on a form or an object is slightly out of place. This is where AI comes in as the brain. It has the ability to see that mistake, understand what was actually meant, and adjust its plan instead of just breaking down. When you connect the thinking brain to working hands, you get a system that understands and fixes problems. This cognitive architecture is a blueprint for a digital worker, allowing computers to handle messy situations, like reading a rambling email. In the past, a person had to read every one of those emails by hand. Now, one of these systems can sort through thousands of them in minutes, accurately picking out which ones are urgent and which ones can wait. But if we aren't writing out every single rule for this digital brain to follow, how does it actually learn to make these choices? Instead, it uses something called machine learning. Instead of a human programmer typing in instructions, the computer learns by looking at thousands or even millions of examples. If you show a computer millions of photos of cats, it eventually starts to notice the patterns for itself, the shape of the ears, the way the eyes look, and how the fur moves. Once it recognizes those patterns, the AI can look at a brand new cat it has never seen before and know exactly what it is, without a human ever having to describe what a cat looks like. This same pattern spotting works for businesses too. An AI can look at a messy note from a customer and recognize the specific pattern of words that tells it if that person is happy, confused, or very angry. Once the brain spots an angry pattern, it tells the automation hands to instantly send a friendly apology and process a refund, all without a person needing to step in. Machine learning is the bridge that takes the messy, unpredictable ways humans communicate and turns them into clear patterns that software can finally understand. You can start using these tools today. There are simple websites that can help you write letters, design professional-looking posters, or even turn your typed words into a realistic human voice. It is true that jobs that involve doing the same repetitive task over and over, like typing numbers from a paper into a computer, will likely go away as these tools get better. But this change is also creating new roles for people who can act as conductors, directing and checking the work these systems produce. AI will not replace human workers. However, a person who knows how to use these tools will likely replace someone who refuses to learn them. To start, just try using a simple AI chat assistant to help you plan a meal or write a difficult email. The more you use it, the less like magic it will feel. You will start to learn prompting, which is just the name for giving very clear, helpful instructions to the AI to get the exact result you want. Finally, you can look for tools that let you connect different apps together, like your snapping Lego blocks, allowing your email and your calendar to talk to each other without you having to type a single line of code. These tools are here right now. By learning to work with them today, you aren't just watching the future happen, you are taking control of your place in it.